Hi, this is Laura, and this is a little video to tell you about one of the items in the Smart Notebook toolbar called the Magic Pen. And you can see a blurry blow-up picture of the icon right here with the pen with purple stars around it. So right up here in your toolbar, if you click on Magic Pen, you'll get your little icon that looks like a pen, and you can do some pretty interesting things with this to help students see different parts of a picture that you might be showing them or highlight some things. The first thing that you can do is if you draw a circle with your magic pen or an oval, and it doesn't have to be perfect, it will connect and it will spotlight whatever it is on your page that you'd like to spotlight. So it shades the rest of the page and has a circle oval that appears however big you've drawn that circle oval that is spotlighted. Now, I get some different icons as I move my mouse or move my finger over this oval. I've got a line with an up and down arrow. If I use that while I have this spotlighted circle, it will make my circle oval bigger. I can drag it back. If I kind of go out towards the outside, I get a little hand, and that means I can move my circle oval around. When you're actually in front of the smart board, you can't really hover like you can with a mouse here at my computer, so more towards the center of the circle is going to be where you make it bigger, smaller. More towards the outer part with the border is going to be how you can drag it around the screen. And then this little red dot right here, this little red circle, is how you close it and go back to your regular screen. Another thing that you can do with this magic pen is you can draw a rectangle or a square, and that will magnify part of your screen. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you do have to put some angles in there so it knows that it's not a circle. Oops, mine didn't work that time. We'll try it one more time. There it goes. And again, if you're more towards the middle of this magnified box, since I have a mouse and I'm hovering over, you can see that there's a horizontal line with an up and down arrow. If I click there and drag a little bit, it'll get bigger, or I can drag it towards the center, it'll get smaller. If I go out towards the border of this box, I get a little hand if I've got a mouse, and I can move it around so I can magnify different parts of my screen. And then again, the red circle off to the side is how to close this magnification. One last thing that you can do with the Magic Pen is anything you write with the Magic Pen will disappear in 10 seconds. And so I'm going to draw some arrows here. And so you can highlight something with a little bit of writing, and then it will disappear and go back to whatever you had on the screen.